Hey guys, welcome back to the another video on Commerce Arena of Accountancy, Unit 1, that is Partnership. So today we will study the theory chapter number 1 of Partnership. Partnership is the relation between persons who have agreed to share the profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. What do you mean by partnership? Partnership एक रिलेशन है between persons, उन persons के बीच में जो agree हो जाते हैं, who have agreed to share the profits. जो business है उसका profit share करने के लिए जो agree हो जाते हैं, और any of them acting for all. और business कौन carry करता है? या तो सब, या तो एक जना जो उन सबको प्रेजेंट कर रहा हो. सो पार्टनरशिप इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन पर्सन्स हु हैव अग्रीड टू शेयर द प्रॉफिट्स ऑफ अ बिजनेस कैरिड ऑन बाय ऑल और एनी ऑफ देम एक्टिंग फॉर ऑल. सो फीचर्स ऑफ पार्टनरशिप. फर्स्ट, association of two or more persons. That we have partnership is the association of two or more persons. It is the business which is carried on by two or more persons. They came into association. Second, based on agreement. There is an agreement on which they form a partnership firm. It can be oral or it can be written. Okay, third, carrying on a business. They form a partnership, means they come into agreement to carry on a business. Fourth one is legal business. It should be legal. The business which a partnership firm is carrying should be legal business. Okay. Fifth, profit sharing, means the persons who come into agreement shares the profits among all. Then mutual agency, means they are mutually interrelated, means they are mutually connected. Okay, so these are features of partnership. Association of two or more persons based on agreement, carrying on a business, legal business, profit sharing, mutual agency. So here we have partnership deed. Document containing the partnership agreement among partners is called partnership. The document containing the partnership agreement among partners is called partnership deed. Partnership deed is that document which is the evidence of the agreement between the persons, I mean the partners of agreement. Okay, means it is a legal document. It is very important because it avoids any misunderstanding amongst the partners. If any misunderstanding will be there in future between partners, among partners, then this partnership deed will be the evident, and the rules or the information given by this deed will be followed. Next, all the disputes may be settled easily. Okay, disputes will be settled easily by this deed. Next, for smooth functioning and obtaining stability in the functioning of business transactions. Smooth functioning. When no dispute was there, then the business will function very smoothly, and obtaining stability means for obtaining the stable business partnership deed is very important. It is very important. These are the 3 reasons that why partnership deed is important. This is very important, so kindly read it properly. Next, guys, these rules are very important, as a question can be asked from this. Provisions of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 in the absence of partnership deed. मीन्स जब पार्टनरशिप डीड अगर साइलेंट है, मीन्स पार्टनरशिप डीड एब्सेंट है, कोई रिटन अग्रीमेंट नहीं है पार्टनर्स के बीच में, तो अगर कोई डिस्प्यूट होता है या कोई मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है, सो दीज रूल्स विल बी फॉलोड. सो फर्स्टली, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल नहीं दिया जाएगा. इफ देयर इज नो पार्टनरशिप डीड, देन इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल विल नॉट बी गिवन टू द पार्टनर्स. Secondly, interest on drawings will not be given. Okay, then salary, commission. No partner can say that we want salary. If there is no partnership deed, then no salary would be given to that partner. Profit sharing ratio is to be equal. Means if there is no ratio in the partnership deed or partnership deed is silent, then it will be equal. 1:1 के रेशो में प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा पार्टनर्स में. इंटरेस्ट ऑन पार्टनरशिप पार्टनर्स लोन. अगर किसी पार्टनर ने फर्म को लोन दे रखा है तो उसको 6% इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा. If it is not specified in partnership deed or if partnership deed is silent. A new partner cannot be admitted into the business unless all existing partners agree to it. Means एक new partner admit नहीं हो सकता जब तक कि सारे partners agree ना हो उसको admit करने के लिए. Okay, all the partners should agree to admit the new partner, then only he or she can be admitted. Each partner has a right to participate in conduct of business. Means each partner has the right, हर partner के पास ये अधिकार है, उसका अधिकार है कि वो business के जो activities होती हैं उसमें participate कर सकता है. Each partner has a right to inspect the books of accounts and also take copy of the same. If a partner want a copy or want to see the books of accounts, inspect the books of accounts, he has the right. Okay, so you can take the screenshot of this slide because this is most important topic or most important topic in this chapter. Okay.